Hey guys, it's Iridian. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'll be doing this affordable prom makeup look. So if you like it, then keep on watching. Everything I'll be using is from the drugstore. And also the giveaway winner will be announced at the end of this video. So if you would like to know if you won, then please keep on watching and let's get started. So this is an affordable prom makeup tutorial, but there are only two things I'm using that are not from the drugstore, and this is one of them. The Pore Professional Pore Minimizer from Benefit. So I already used this, already primed my face. So today for foundation, I'll be using the Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. This is my first time using it. I heard really good reviews on it, so I decided to give it a try. I'm hoping it's my color. Alright, so let's try it. So to blend it out, I'm using a Real Techniques sponge. I usually use like a beauty blender, so I'm not used to using like another type of sponge. Maybe put on a little bit more. Let's see. So it is buildable. Now I chose this foundation because it's supposed to be matte, and if you're like me and you get oily pretty fast, then this should work. This should keep you matte all night if you're dancing, you know, and jumping at prom, which you should. Just make sure it's blended out all the way down to your neck. So I like this foundation. It's light, but it has good coverage. So to conceal under my eyes, I'll be using the Master Conceal by Face Studio. This is in the shade Light Medium. Now, like I said, I'm really used to like my beauty blender. So like this is bigger than the beauty blender, so I'm struggling. So I'm going to try to spot conceal. See, right there. So the key here is if you have any like red blemishes, you take a little bit of the concealer and very lightly you tap it around the blemish, and it should help. So next I'm going to contour. I'll be using the cream contour palette from e.l.f. So now some of these brushes I'll be using are from the drugstore, like most of them, but there's like a few of them that are not from the drugstore, like this Sigma Angled Kabuki brush. So I'll be taking this color right here, the darkest one. Okay, to set my face, I'll be using Maybelline's Master Fix Loose Setting Powder, and to apply it, I'm using MAC's 182 Powder Brush. Now for eyeshadow primer, I'll be using the same concealer that I used for the under eyes. Now I will use some tape to give me more of a clean and defined eye makeup look. For this affordable prom makeup look, I will be using e.l.f.'s matte eyeshadow palette, and I will be taking this color right here first. With Sigma E25, I will place this color all over my crease and work my way up to the brow bone. Next, I will take this taupe color and only place it on my crease. I'm using an e.l.f. eye crease brush. Then I will take this color right here and place it on the outer part of the eyelid and slowly bring it across. I'm using the same eye crease brush from e.l.f. Then taking some concealer to clean up the inner part of the eyelid. Just the inner part, not the whole eyelid. Now I'm taking this really pretty cream eyeshadow from Revlon. I'll place it where I just concealed. This color doesn't bring a name, but it's Cream Eyeshadow 730. To apply it, I'm using an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Taking the same color to darken the outer part of the eyelid. Now taking this brown color to darken it up more. And just blending everything out with this same color that I used in the beginning. Now to add some sparkle, I'll be using this bronze loose glitter from NYX. First I'll apply glitter glue and then the glitter. So I'm starting at the inner part of the eyelid and stopping halfway. Then I'll be taking these two colors for my under eyes. For mascara, I'll be using Maybelline's Colossal Volume Express in Glam Black. So to bronze, I'll be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This isn't from the drugstore, but this is my second thing that I'll be using that it's not from the drugstore. For blush, I'll be using Rose de Oro from Milani. To highlight, I'll be using Maybelline's Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the color Molten Gold. I'm going to outline my lips with Revlon Color Stay in the color Raisin. And then put Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the color Kisses. Okay, so it's up to you if you would like to wear fake eyelashes. If you do want to wear fake eyelashes, I do recommend you getting the Ardell Natural eyelashes. These are my favorite drugstore lashes. They're not that expensive and they look natural and they look really pretty. So now that I'm done doing my makeup, I'm going to spray the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. Sorry, that was my dog. Does it even work? It's cold. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you like this prom makeup look. It's time to announce the winner. And the winner of my first giveaway is Marissa Martinez. Congrats. I'll be contacting you today. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this look. I'll see you in my next video next week. Bye!